Chris wants to know kung ano daw yung pinagkaiba ng transitive at intransitive verb at paano ba gamitin ang mga verbs na transitive at saka yung intransitive. So, kung maalala natin, Chris, ang verb, yan ay yung mga salitang kilos. Okay? Pag sinabi nating transitive, yan yung action na mayroong kasunod na complements. Yun ay tinatawag na object at sumasagot sa tanong na ano o kaya naman ay sino. Halimbawa, ganito. Miko kissed Mika. Ang ating verb dyan ay itong kissed. Ano kaya to? Transitive o intransitive verb? So, para masagot natin ang tanong na yan, tanongin natin itong what o kaya naman ay whom. Ano o sino? Miko kissed whom? Ito, Miko kissed whom? Mayroon tayong sagot. Ito, si Mika. At si Mika ay ang tinatawag na object. At kapag sa sentence, merong object ang verb, itong verb na to ay tatawagin nating transitive verb. Okay? So, yan ay transitive verb dahil merong object. Diba sabi, para masabi na ang verb ay transitive, dapat ay yung action na yan ay merong complement o kaya ay object na tinatawag at sumasagot sa tanong na what or whom. Halimbawa ganito, Mateo reads this. Mateo reads what? Mateo reads this. So, itong this ang ating object. Sumasagot sa tanong na ano, yung binasa ni Mateo, this. So, itong verb natin ay transitive dahil meron tayong tagasagot sa tanong na o tagatanggap sa tanong na ano. Merong sagot sa tanong na ano. Ano yung binabasa? This. So, yung this ang ating object. At sa sentence, kung merong object, yun ay, itong verb na to ay transitive verb. Okay? So, ito pa. The old lady wrote something. The old lady wrote what? The old lady wrote what? Something. Ano daw sinulat nung old lady? Itong something. So, meron tayong sagot sa tanong na what? Ano yung sinulat ng old lady? Itong something. So, itong something ang ating object. Since meron tayong object, itong ating verb ay tatawagin nating transitive verb. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Meron din tayong mga phrasal verbs o kaya tinatawag na idioms, phrasal verbs. Ibig sabihin ng phrasal verb ay more than 2 words, more than 1 word, pwedeng 2 words o 3 words na kasama nung verb. Halimbawa ito, Mara put on her hat. Itong her hat ang ating noun phrase, ito ay ating verb phrase kasi ano siya, dalawang word yan. Hindi yan matatawag na phrase kung nag-iisang word lang. So, phrase ang tawag dyan since dalawa sila magkasama. So, tanungin natin, Maria put on what? Maria put on what? Hat, her hat. So, meron tayong sagot sa tanong na ano, kaya yung sagot na yan, itong her hat, ang tinatawag nating object. So, itong verb natin ay may object. Since merong object ang ating verb, itong ating verb ay tatawagin nating transitive verb. Okay? Ito pa. I take after my dad. I take after my dad. Kamukha niya yung tatay niya. Itong take after ang ating verb phrase o phrasal verb since dalawa sila, hindi sila isa lang. Yan, phrasal verb yan. So, sagutin natin yung tanong na I take after whom? Sino yung kamukha ko? My dad. So, since meron tayong sagot sa tanong na whom, itong my dad ang ating object. Since may object tayo, itong ating verb ay transitive verb. Kasi ang transitive ay nangangailangan ng object para masabing transitive yung isang verb. Ito naman, pag-usapan natin ang intransitive verbs. Ibig sabihin ng intransitive verbs ay do not have complement. Ibig sabihin yan ay walang object. Wala nang kasunod yung verb ba. Wala nang kasunod, walang complement, walang object. Pwedeng wag nang itanong yung what o whom. Kasi parang lang yun sa transitive verb tinatanong eh. Dito sa intransitive verb, pwede yung mag-end in themselves or with adverbs. Itong end in themselves, ibig sabihin yan ay hanggang doon na lang sila sa verb na yon. Katulad nito. The couple danced. Itong dance, may sense na itong ating sentence dahil meron tayong subject o tagagawa ng kilos. But meron din tayong verb. Anong ginagawa ng couple? Sumayaw sila. Ano yung ginawa ng couple? Sumayaw sila. So, ito ay tinatawag nating intransitive verb dahil di na yan nangangailangan pa ng object para makompleto yung sense. May sense na yan kahit wala yung object. Okay? Unlike ng transitive verb, kailangan may object para masabi natin na transitive verb yun. Ito, Joy chuckled. Joy chuckled. Wala nang kasunod, diba? Kasi and in themselves, pwedeng ganun, katulad nito. Ito ay intransitive verb since wala siyang complement, walang object. Kapag ganito naman, Marvin writes constantly. Marvin writes, pwede nating tanongin, Marvin writes what? So, walang sagot. Kapag walang sagot, yun ay intransitive verb at merong sinama tayong constantly at itong constantly ay adverb. Adverb of frequency, may sinasabi lang dito sa writes kung gaano kadalas nagsusulat si Marvin. So itong ating verb dito ay intransitive verb since walang object. The child stays there. The child stays there. Itong stays ay verb. At may S yan kasi ang ating subject ay singular. So, pwede nating matawag na intransitive dahil wala namang object. Ang meron lang ay adverb. Adverb of place na may sinasabi dito. Saan daw nag-stay? Doon. So, ganyan yung tingin natin kung ang ating hinahanap bang verb ay kailangan ng object o wala. Kapag may object, yan ay transitive verb. Kapag walang object, na nagtatapos lang sa sarili nilang verb, o kaya naman ay may adverb, katulad nito, yan ay intransitive verb. So, sagutin natin to. Ano kaya to? Transitive o intransitive? Number 1, Lee eats pies. Lee eats what? Pies. So, may sagot sa tanong na what. Kapag may sagot sa tanong na what, itong verb na eat ay transitive verb. Okay? Ito naman, Lee loves means pies. So, she loves what? Pies pa rin. Lee bought dozens of cakes. Lee bought what? Dozens of cakes. So, pag laging may sagot sa tanong na what, yun ay transitive verb. So, pwede tayong gumamit niyan sa sentence ng transitive verb, kaya kailangan dyan ng object. Sa intransitive verb, pwedeng wala ng object. He fainted. May kasunod pa ba? Wala na. So, pag ganyan itsura, yan ay intransitive verb. May sense na yan. Ito, a vulture soared effortlessly overhead. A vulture soared effortlessly overhead. Ano kaya yan? Transitive or intransitive? Meron tayong adverb na may sinasabi lang dito sa soared. Yan ay intransitive. The sharks are congregating near the raft. Are congregating what? Walang sagot. Kasi itong near the raft, yan ay adverb lang. Adverb lang yung mga yan. So, wala talagang object dyan o tagatanggap ng kilos. Ito, all the boys opened their eyes as the clock struck midnight. All the boys opened all the toys opened what? All the toys opened their eyes. So, may sagot tayo sa tanong na what. So, itong opened ay transitive verb. As the clock struck midnight. As the clock struck what? Midnight. So, itong struck na verb ay transitive verb. Since meron tayong sagot sa tanong na what. What struck what? Yan. No amount of time can erase the memory of a good cat, and no amount of masking tape can ever totally remove its fur from your couch. Ito, no amount of time can erase what? Ito, memory of a good cat. May sagot tayo. So, yan ay, itong erase ay transitive. And no amount of masking tape can ever totally remove his fur. So, no amount of masking tape can ever totally remove what? His fur. So, yan ay, itong remove ay transitive verb since meron tayong object. To. You can't get 8 cats to pull a sled through snow. You can't get what? 8 cats. To ay transitive verb. I loathe people who keep dogs. I loathe who? People. Sumasagot tayo sa tanong na who. They are cowards who haven't got the guts to bite people themselves. They are cowards who haven't got what? The guts. So, itong the guts ang ating object, kaya yan ay transitive verb. Laugh and the world laughs with you. Snore and you sleep alone. Ano kaya yan? Ito, halimbawa. You sleep what? Wala nang kasama. So, yan ay intransitive verb. If the context changes, your greatest strength can emerge as a weakness. Ito, meron kaya ditong, if the context changes, tapos wala na siyang kasunod, diba? Kasi may kama na. So, itong changes na to ay intransitive verb. Your greatest strength can emerge as a weakness. Can emerge, wala nang kasunod, kasi yan naman ay, preposition lang, nagko-compare. Itong as a weakness. So, yan ay intransitive verb. So, lagi lang nating tatandaan kung gagawa tayo ng sentence, pwede tayong gumawa ng sentence na transitive na nangangailangan lagi ng object. Kapag intransitive naman ay pwedeng kahit adverb na lang yung kasunod o kaya naman ay wala nang kasunod kundi yung verb lang na yon, yung subject at saka verb, okay na yon. Okay? So, ganun lang.